Hello guys, so today I'm gonna change the oil for Toyota Camry 2012, and I'm gonna put this in my car. This is the oil. Here is the catch pan, and here is my filter. It's pretty different than regular filter. So I have the O-ring, two of them, these, and there is the filter. First thing, I'll open this. So it is recommended 0W20. Just leave it like that. So this is the oil pan. I need to remove this. First thing, I'm gonna use the ratchet. This is a 15mm bolt. Okay. Oil is dripping, pretty black oil. Okay, let's just set it for drain. This was the oil after change, pretty dark. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this nut. Don't keep it loose. First thing, I have to remove this bolt using a 3x8mm ratchet. To open the filter, I'm gonna use this one, universal oil filter opener. So it says over here to close to the right and to open to the left. In my case, I had to use a breaker bar because whoever tightened it before, they made it too hard for me to open. Okay. You see the oil is dripping. Now I'm gonna take the old filter out. Place the new filter. Same size. Okay, you can change this O-ring, or if you want, you can use the same one. So I have it, so I want to use it. Make sure it's all the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it without this one. Wear eye protection. So I tightened this all the way, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put this new O-ring and this nut. I put the O-ring, And now I put my hand, then I'll tighten with ratchet. You do not want to over tighten it like the guy before, but not loose. Okay, so this part is done right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the front, the top. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this. This engine is pretty old, so I'm using a synthetic mobile, better brand. This oil is pretty thick. I poured the whole thing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the sides. Hand tighten this. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. I'm gonna start the engine. Turn it off. Start the engine. Alright, seems pretty good. And this is how you guys change the oil for Toyota Camry 2012. Process wasn't too hard, but in my case it took some time. But anyway guys, thank you so much, and see you on another video.